I love the idea of you guys making your own almond butter at home, and I also love the idea of you guys buying it too. It's keeping the economy alive, and so many different artisans that are out there and at farmers markets. Delicious. This is so easy, and I'm so grateful and honoured to be able to pass this on to you. This is just so simple. So I use about between 500 and 600 grams of almonds, even up to a kilo sometimes, depending on where I get them from. Sometimes I can get broken almonds, which are cheaper. Sometimes I know farmers that I can get them off super, super cheap. And sometimes I just get them when they're on sale, you know, so it's just one of those things. Straight into the oven. Raw almonds, tray, baking paper, straight into the oven on about 150 to about 160 degrees. So let's sit it on 160, okay? And let's make a deal that we're going to check it in the minutes that we're cooking it. So what you're going to do is going to put it straight in, and then you're going to check it in about maybe 8 minutes, and you're going to give the tray a bit of a shake. So come with me, and let's put these straight into the oven. Okay, check this out. Now, when I was talking to you about roasting, we don't want that dark colour coming through because it just makes the almond butter really intense in roasting flavour. We want to taste some almonds here, and we want to bring that through by roasting on a low heat and just extracting those oils so you get that bit of flavour. Check it out, it's beautiful. These are cooled down wonderfully. So they've been in the oven for, I think it was about 10 minutes, and I cooled them down, and that's taken about 30 minutes, and now I'm ready to rock and roll, which is awesome. So, now this bit of baking paper, I'm definitely going to reuse this, right? Don't be throwing this out. A lot of people do that, I find. So straight into your dry mix of your Vitamix. Put that over there. Now you're going to need your tampering tool. That sounds like a torture device, but it's not. You're going to need this just to push down the edges of this, and there's going to be a bit of noise. We'll start it off, and then I'll take you through a close-up of how this is going to pull out the oils to make that buttery texture and consistency. We have a fly. Normal kitchen environment. Now, as you can see, I've got you can just see there, it looks like almond meal, and here it looks like butter. And what's happening is the heat is extracting the oils out of this, and it's becoming a buttery, delicious mess. Okay, so what I love about making almond butter, it's one ingredient. Yay, one ingredient. One piece of equipment. It's so cool that you guys get to make this at home. We're going to keep blending until we get that really rich, buttery texture of glory. There you go, of glory. See you in a minute. There's a lot of noise happening. Check this out. This is what we're after. This is super cool that you guys get to do this at home. This rich texture, this rich buttery texture. You could add a pinch of salt to this. You could definitely add some vanilla to this. You could add any spices you like to just mix it. I love adding a chai spice to this for something a little bit different. You could add some sweetener to this. You could add some cacao powder to this. It's just endless of what you can do with the base butter. I'm going to stick to the base butter. I'm not going to add anything to it. This is just a wonderful little recipe for you at home, just to get in there and know you can make this yourself. This lasts on the shelf forever if you don't keep putting your same spoon back in there. So it's really important. So I'm going to mix this a little bit more. We're nearly finished. It's at a beautiful texture. You can have this crunchier with more texture if you like. I like it super, super thin for me, so it's up to you. So another minute, and then we'll transfer it into a jar. All right, we're ready. It's ready. We're ready. Oh, it's delicious. So it makes great Christmas presents, birthday presents, taking your loved ones something that you've made just very simply with one ingredient. Super awesome. So just get that in there. Oh, it smells so beautiful. And like I said, don't roast them too much because you get that really bitter flavour coming through and bitter smell. Just want to be careful with that oven temp. Keep it really low. Follow the recipe. Let me know how you go. Yeah, everybody, let me know how you go and tell me what flavours you've made out of it. Okay. We will see you in the next episode. Yum. Best satay sauce on the planet. In my Whole Foods Love series, check it out. Best satay sauce. I'll see you soon. Yum, I'm just stoked. Enjoy.
Right, this is almond butter. This is really take two, but pretending to be take one. We've never done this before. This is the first time I've done this.
Jesus! It's loud in my ear. Okay.
23. Take. No, slow. These things are just meant to be enjoyed. Just savour the moment.